everybody, we got a blue box and it's got its address marked off this time. Amazing grace, huh? Well, somebody left it on my front porch and I think I'm gonna open it, don't you think? USPS Ground Advantage from Kimberly Jolly sent me a box. Let's open it up. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Making Waves. Isn't that pretty? They do such a beautiful job with the artwork. Are we recording? Yes, we are. Okay. June of 2026. You know how some people, they like to hold, I'll show you. One of the ladies I watch, she goes like this. Bring something out. That makes me laugh every time. Thank you. I think that's Carrie with Carrie Quilts, or Carrie somebody. She has a canary quilts. There we go. So here we are. We're going to open it up together. Woo! Oh, that's beautiful. Elizabeth Hartman casserole. I love Elizabeth Hartman. Is that who's doing this? Oh boy, look at this. We're doing a whale one. I love Elizabeth Hartman. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh. Sunset Whales. I love it. Oh, and look what else we have. Acorn caps. That one's very pretty. Reminds me of what I'm doing with the Tulip Pink white caps from last month. I'm still working on it. I probably will be working on that one for a few months because I'm doubling the size of it. So acorn caps, spooled quilt along. Well, that looks nice. Red velvet cake block. Now, doesn't a red velvet cake sound good to you? Somebody wanted to ruin my fun and say that's just a chocolate cake with red coloring. But I just can't believe that. But this is my favorite. Look at this. Sunset Whales. I am very happy. Thank you, Kimberly. You know what? Elizabeth Hartman is my absolute favorite designer, and I've made quite a few of her quilts. Now, my bee quilt is not an Elizabeth Hartman, but it sure could be because it has all those little parts. And look what else we get. A beautiful spool of Superior Pima, 502 weight. No, it can't be. 50/2 weight. 1,200 yards. Good grief, we'll be using that for a long time. That is really nice. Now, let's look at those fabrics, okay? They're designed by Elizabeth Hartman, too. Oh, look at her pretty smile. Let's get this open and we'll look at her stuff. See if I can keep from hurting it. That won't do it. But these pretty pink scissors will do just fine. Elizabeth Hartman. I really didn't know she made fabric designs. I knew she did patterns, of which I've done, quite a few, 5 or 6 of them at least, I think. Well, the dinosaurs, I made 2 of those big dinosaur quilts. Oh, this is pretty. Let's look at this. Beautiful teal green. Beautiful golden yellow. Hi, Hudson. Come and say hi to my friends. Show me. Show me. This is my boy Hudson. Can you see him? Ouch! There's our boy Hudson. Say hi.
No.
No. No. Okay, so it's a beautiful blue. Oh, they're all the same sort of. And then the green. And another green, only this one's lighter green. And beige. And a golden with some mustard in it. And blue, well, this is sort of teal, I'd say. and medium blue, another golden yellow, pink, and peach. Now for this whale pattern, we're going to use all the blues and all the greens and teals and the golds, and then 2 whales are going to be peach. So that means we're not using the pink. But it seems like we're using all the rest of them, maybe not the beige. So I don't think the pattern calls for those 2, but it does look like it'll call for all the rest. Let me see. Sashing and borders. Let's read this. We need 7 fat eighths, and how many do we get? We got Moda Scenery by Elizabeth Hartman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got 12 and we only need 7 of them. And then 3 fat eighths for the sunsets, so that's 7, 8, 9, 10. A fat eighth of dark solid detail fabric in Bella Espresso. Oh, that's for the faces. So we'll find something to use. Probably none of these, but we'll use something that'll be good for faces. Maybe some fat eighth of a black or something. That'd work. Hi, Hudson. You want to go outside? Let me finish up here and I'll be right with you. So he's going to be 3 next month. And he is a good boy. Unexpected little visit today. Isn't that nice? I'm winding up my day at work. You can see I'm in my scrubs. And just got finished with all my doctor's calls, and I am ready to play with my sewing. But upstairs here is at least 20 degrees warmer than downstairs. So I'm going to be doing something downstairs probably. I need to finish the border on my Civil War so it's ready for the fair. So Sunset Wales is the name. We could look at this actually. Sunset Wales Scenery, fat eighth bundle. Value $34.98. Chrome quilting sewing needles. Did I miss those? We got that. Gosh, I don't think we got them. We got these patterns. Pattern, pattern, pattern. Nothing in them. This is the sticker and the thread. Nothing on the floor. Okay, well, I get to call them and ask for more. It says Chrome Quilting Sewing Machine Needles. Well, we'll ask for those. Then we have the beautiful Elizabeth Hartman's Casserole Enamel Needle Minder. Does that look like a... Does this look like a casserole dish? I don't know, but it looks almost Celtic to me. I like it though. Very, very pretty. Then we have the Sunset Wales quilt pattern, which is of course right here. And we have the Pima thread. We talked about that. That's that beautiful thread. Sort of a silver. And we have the additional pattern and spooled. No, I didn't get any needles. Now that's a first. That's a first time, and I've been taking this for years, that there's been something indicated and it's not there. Well, we'll give them a call. Quilt with us, the Jolly Tree Farm Quilt and Stitch Along. A little mystery quilt about a tree farm. Sew with us all through Christmas in July. So that means you get a different pattern portion every week, because we're going to do it all through July. It might be fun, you know. I am looking at the lovely Sew Along block of the month with Lynn at Soft Squares. Here's Flat Eighth Flapjack Shortcut Quilt, SEWSAMPLER Vault, the acorn caps, and 25% off of all Elizabeth Hartman patterns. Wow! Okay, so that's one I'm going to actually use. Okay, well, that's all for today. The wonderful, let's look in there again. No, it's not in there. Pattern, pattern, pattern. Fat eighths. Thread. Beautiful needle minder. And I can't show you that stuff, sorry. This is beautiful. All right, thank you for watching. And I'm not quite done with my Tula Pink from last month, but I'm going to be working on that for a number of months because I'm going to double the size of it. I may have said that, but we'll say it again. All right then. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye now.